Pull the wiper away from the windshield. Push-button arms come in two sizes. To confirm that you are using the correct installation for the regular 19mm wide arm, ensure that a penny is able to slide through as shown. Remove pre-installed adapter B1 from the wiper frame. Remove M3 PT section from the included adapter assembly. Depress the tab as shown to unlock and remove the M3 PH part of the adapter. Insert M3TL adapter section into the arm as shown, making sure that the locking button on the adapter locks into its corresponding hole on the arm. Attach wiper blade onto the wiper arm until it locks in place. Replace the wiper onto the windshield.